let's go back to the SME issue, the trade gap. SMEs get limited access to financial resources. Why? Is because they cannot sometimes justify their credit if they're too recent. They cannot give the right documents, and those documents, can they be verified, and so on. So at TradeFinex, we try to sort that by bringing different projects to work together. So we don't think that we can, being just one entity, solve all the issues. I think it's about working together. And in the tech side, I think many have been building things in silos, but you need to connect all of this data, and you need to have it interoperable to make the whole system globally work, because trade finance is also cross-border.
Yes.
And when you have cross-border, you also have the challenges of different regulations. So if everyone is doing his own thing in his corner, obviously that's not going to work. The other thing I think that maybe created difficulty at the time is also regulation. Regulation now is advancing. And I think I'm based in the best place for this, which is the IFC in Dubai. And Dubai has been doing a lot of things to make it possible for fintech and banks and all the financial institutions to operate safely. So they came up recently with a regulatory framework, which is very different from the ones you would have in the UK or in the US. Where we would wait to have an issue, to have then a jurisprudence case that will crystallize everything, and then will be used, as a reference for some other problems. What they're doing here is creating rules that are going to be amended as we go. So because technology is moving too fast, if we do it the old way, that's not going to work for digital assets, tokenization, and things like that. So they're doing it differently. But we've seen also the UK lead the way with the Chris Southwood from ICC UK, or Sarah Green from the UK Law Commission, who've been pushing to create the EDTA law,
yep,
and the MLAPR framework, so that we know exactly what are the documents that can be digitized, and what are the requirements for those documents to be, considered as, safe and legal.